Assalamu alaikum students. In today's lab we are going to discuss Microsoft Publisher. We are going to learn the basics of Microsoft Publisher. Starting a publisher, first of all, how you can start a publisher? Simply in the search tab you will write publisher, then the particular application will be shown up to you, and then you just have to click over the application, or you can click on the open button. The first window will be shown to you like this. Okay, simply you will create a blank document in whatever type of blank document you need according to your requirement. In the blank document you will have particular formatting related to your particular document. These are page options, which kind of page you can use over here. These are the font colors of the page, which kind of color schemes you want to implement on your particular page. Font schemes, publisher toolbar, text box, insert table, insert pen, insert word art, picture frame, any kind of line, arrow, oval shape. Basically these particular things will be found in the shapes tab. Different kind of borders, different kind of templates. You can add a particular template into your particular library for your future use. These are the two exercises what you have to do in this particular lab. First of all, you have to design a business card with complete information using Microsoft Publisher. Secondly, you have to design a 4-page website which should include the content in form of text, images and other options. The 4 pages will be namely home, product, contact us and about us. According to your chosen topic, your third one item will be changed according to your requirement. For example, home, services, about us and contact us, home, deals, about us and contact us. It depends on you according to your particular chosen topic. For example, you will select any kind of website which is related to the Pizza Hut, or related to stationaries, related to computer accessories. So your particular third tab will be changed according to your requirement. Second tab basically home and services, home products, home deals. So these particular things will be changed according to your requirement. I'm going to open up the first document in MS Publisher. This is the document. First of all, file, and then click over new. Blank document. The blank document is right now in front of you. In the home tab, basically you are having draw shapes, styles, pictures, tables and shapes. But if you will regulate into the insert tab, then you will have different kind of pages. Pre-built pages you can use. Different kind of catalog pages, tables, pictures, clip art, shapes, picture holder. For example, if any kind of form you are creating, you just have to tab over there the picture holder. For example, if you are filling any kind of form, so you just have to add the particular tab over there. So you can use picture holder there. Okay, different kind of pages with different kind of formatting like this. Pre-built pages have been displayed to you. In this particular page you will have text boxes. In this particular page you will have an image over here and then 2 text boxes. So according to your requirement, if you don't want to contain all the particular things, you can just simply click over the particular page layout. For example, I have clicked over this particular page layout, and this is the title text, and these are the basically 4 pictures, what you can easily change over here. For example, you want to change picture, you can simply change picture, or you can remove picture. So this particular picture have been removed. This particular information you can write over here. For example, you have to create a business card, so this can be a template to use according to your requirement. Okay, and then different kind of page designs can be changed according to your requirement. What kind of color you want to implement in your particular page, what kind of background you want to implement in your particular page, you want to delete the grids or you want to delete anything. Mailing option we have discussed in our Word document. Review and view is basically simple things. In review you can search different kind of thesaurus and spelling checks over, and in view you can implement any kind of graphics and anything you want to add in the particular document, so you can enable it. In insert tab you have multiple options like advertisements, border and descents. Different kind of borders you can use over here. More border and accents. More you can download it from the network. You will go online and you will have multiple variety about it. Different kind of advertisements. For example, sometimes we go to some shops and there is a offer going on which is related to the buy one get one free offer. You can simply edit this particular thing. Buy one get one free and anything whatever you want to write, buy one get one free. So you can simply edit this particular thing according to your requirement. These are advertisements. These are different kind of shapes. You can also go to the particular advertisements, or you can select it from the gallery also. Different kind of gallery options you have been given to you particular groups. You can create new also. Different kind of row text boxes according to your requirement, which kind of text box you want to add in your particular document. Simply you can click over here and you can add text. Then there is different kind of options enabled over here, which kind of thing you want to add this in this particular tab. For example, drop cap have been given. For example, your first letter of the paragraph will be capital and the other letters will remain small. Different kind of formatting have been displayed over here for related to the drop cap. Different styles of numbering over here, which kind of numbering you want to implement over here, which kind of standard things you want to get into this, which kind of styles you want to implement. There are multiple things you can explore over here. There are multiple things you can write over here. There are text direction, text field, best fit, how your text will be fitted into a particular block. These are different kind of formats where your text will start to write, where you want to write something, where you want to show your particular things. So this is a very nice tool. Try to explore it and try to make good things according to your requirements, according to your lab task. And in future, try to use this particular tool for making anyone's business card. You can easily say anyone that which kind of business card do you require. I will make this particular business card for you. This is the page which I have created. Basically, in this particular tab, I have just selected this particular block over here, shapes, and then I have added these particular text. This is the image. In image, I have used this particular format, and then I have used this particular block over here, and 5 blocks I have copied here. At the end, this is the border, and this is a simple design to display any kind of toy shop you can give. This is basically the example of your home website. The products will be the second thing. The products will come over here. Okay, this is your menu card. Okay students, now I'm going to show you some examples of business card and some examples of the website templates. These are some examples of business card. For example, These are few examples of business card over here. You can try any kind of format according to your requirement. Whatever format you will like, you can implement that particular format. With your naming and the image, you can use that particular format into your task. Okay, these are particular formats of your business card. You can create any kind of business card according to your own desire. And in the business card, try to use your name as the main company name. For example, if someone's name is your Sidra's Intelligent Systems or Sidra's Communication, anything you want to design, try to use your name like this. This is a logo over here. This is a shape, particular design, and then name over here. And in the contact details, the complete detail will be according to your requirement. You have to put your details into this particular business card. Okay. And also you have to give the ID, your enrollment ID in the particular business card, so that will be easily identified. In the website template, you can use any kind of template in the particular according to your requirement. For example, I'm going to show you any kind of website you can create. Like this website I'm going to open over here. This is the header. You can open up any kind of website according to your requirement. It's completely your choice what kind of website you want to create. It can be related to the Pizza Hut, it can be related to the chocolate shop, it can be related to the gift shop, it can be related to the gymnasium. You can design any kind of template according to your requirement. You are free to choose any kind of topic. You can use medical shop or hospitalized patients website. You can use artificial systems website. Anything you want to create, you can choose your topic according to your requirement. You are allowed to choose any kind of topic. This is the header part. This is the footer part. The header and footer part will remain same for all the pages, but the other content will be changed. Like this is the header, this is the footer, and this is the body content. In the body content, you will change according to your particular page number. For example, home, about us, contact us. In the body, you will change your to contact your content. Okay, students. Inshallah, today we are going to have our QD session on 10:30. Try to join it, and if you have any kind of query, ask there. First of all, you have to must watch this particular video and must go through the assignment. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.